3 years ago, my wife, Helen, and I decided to embark on the adventure of a lifetime and open up a cider house in West Kelowna. We chose to have all of our production done on site. From harvest to fermentation to bottling and labeling, we are local grown and handcrafted. We planted 8 varieties of cider apples on our 2.5-acre orchard at Truck 59 on Brown Road. We want to give back to our amazing community, and what better way than supporting our local firefighters? That's why for every bottle opened in our tasting room or any fire engine red bottle cap brought back to our cider house, we donate 10 cents to a charity of firefighters' choice. Stop by our tasting room and see why Truck 59 is the best dang cider you've ever slung a lip over.